Every YouTube video on the MacBook Pro has been universally positive, and while it is a good machine, I've had some issues, and I want to share my thoughts on the 14-inch M1 Pro MacBook Pro. But before I do that, I want to welcome all of you to the channel. My name is Krishna. This channel is Krishna Draws, and each and every week I focus on making actionable tips and techniques to help digital artists level up their game. So if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, definitely check out some of the videos on my channel and let me know what you think. So let's go ahead and kind of get into what is actually happening here. So I purchased a 14-inch M1 MacBook Pro in December of 2021. It's my first M1 MacBook. It's replacing a 2018 Mac Mini. By and large, it's been a good machine. Over the last 2 months or so, I've been having some weird problems with it. Problems that weren't like total deal breakers, but they were annoying. And those problems were the result of dialog boxes that would pop up intermittently where I would have the option of clicking OK or cancel, but nothing would happen. They were basically non-responsive dialog boxes. And you couldn't dismiss it by hitting escape. The only way outside of it was to reboot the machine. And I would put up with that. And then finally, it just got to be really annoying. So I went into Disk Utility, I reformatted the drive, and did a fresh install of macOS Monterey, and then used Migration Assistant to bring my data back to my MacBook. And I thought that fixed the problem. Back about a week, the same problem started manifesting again. So I made an appointment with the Apple Store. I brought my MacBook Pro in. While the MacBook Pro was being looked at by the Genius, battery for this MacBook was also failing. So I had a potentially faulty SSD and a faulty battery, and they basically transported it to a center in Texas where it was repaired. I got the machine back today, and the machine boots up and it seems to be running okay, but there's one annoying thing that I've noticed, and there's a small nick on the bottom side of the case. Now, because it's on the bottom side of the case, it's not that big of a deal, but I don't buy laptops every year. I buy laptops until, like once every 7 years or so. My last MacBook Pro was a 2014-inch model. So getting it back from the Apple Repair Center with a small blemish is annoying, especially given how much these things cost. So I'm in the process right now of getting that addressed by Apple. Hopefully they'll find some way to fix this. I'm impressed with Apple's turnaround time. I basically shipped the machine out on Thursday. I got the machine on a Saturday. And for the most part, the battery looks like it's brand new. I haven't had any weird SSD issues. So I'm thinking that problem has been fixed. If you've had similar experiences with your 14-inch MacBook Pro or 16-inch MacBook Pro, please let me know in the comments below. So this is the first Apple laptop that I've owned where I've had problems within the first 6 months. Normally they just work until they don't work anymore. The 2014 model that I have is still running like a champ. It's just slow. So I'm not sure if this is just, like a really isolated condition, and maybe it is. Thank you so much for watching. Before you take off, why not take a look at a couple of videos that I think might help you level up your digital art game. They're right here and they're right here. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.